Dreaming of the skies? Your journey from the gate to the clouds starts here. But behind every takeoff and landing, an invisible orchestra is at work. At the heart of the world's busiest airports, like Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson, thousands of flights move in a complex ballet every single day. Have you ever wondered who orchestrates this dance in the sky? Meet the unsung heroes of aviation, the air traffic controllers. Today we're going inside their world, a place where every decision counts and every second matters. How do they do it? Air traffic control, or ATC, isn't just one job. It's a system of three critical roles. First, tower controllers. They are the eyes on the ground handling every takeoff and landing within the airport's immediate vicinity. They clear runways, guide planes to their gates, and give pilots the green light to fly. Next, approach and departure controllers. They manage the airspace just outside the airport, a busy zone where planes are either descending for landing or climbing to their cruising altitude. Their job is to line them up, keep them separated, and ensure a smooth flow in and out of the airport. And finally, en route controllers. These are the guardians of the high skies, monitoring vast sectors of airspace that can span hundreds of miles. They guide aircraft along their flight paths from one side of the country to the other, handing them off seamlessly from one controller's sector to the next. Tower, approach, departure, en route. How do they see it all? Using cutting-edge radar, advanced computer systems, and real-time flight tracking, controllers see a complete picture of the sky. On their radar scopes, every blip is an aircraft, a collection of souls relying on their guidance. They can see altitude, speed, and direction, orchestrating the movement of dozens of planes at once. This is the control tower's all-seeing eye. Becoming an air traffic controller is a journey of intense training and immense responsibility. It takes years to master the skills needed for the job. Why? Because the stakes are astronomically high. Imagine you're at the controls. A severe thunderstorm suddenly develops over the airport, forcing dozens of planes to change their routes at the same time. Or a pilot radios in a medical emergency, needing to land immediately. These are not hypothetical scenarios. They are the daily reality for an ATC. Every day, they make split-second decisions under immense pressure. Controllers must coordinate with multiple teams, pilots from different airlines, and even emergency services on the ground, all while maintaining a calm, authoritative voice over the radio. Their decision-making can affect thousands of lives in an instant. It's a high-stakes mental marathon where there is no room for error. Split-second decisions, thousands of lives. It's a chess game played at 500 miles per hour, three-dimensionally, with lives on the line. Controllers rely on incredible mental sharpness, flawless teamwork, and an unwavering calm under pressure. While the technology is advanced, it's the human judgment and constant vigilance that truly keep our skies safe. It's about the human mind interpreting data, anticipating conflicts, and finding solutions in real time. Air traffic control is not confined to a single tower or a single country. It's a global symphony of precision and coordination. Think about it. A flight from New York to Tokyo passes through the airspace of multiple countries. Controllers in the United States hand off the flight to their Canadian counterparts, who then pass it to Russian controllers, who finally transfer it to the Japanese system. This happens seamlessly, thousands of times a day, across invisible borders in the sky. With over 100,000 flights taking to the air daily across the globe, this interconnected network is what keeps billions of passengers safe every single year. It's one of the most complex and successful logistical operations ever created by humankind. Global coordination and future innovations, and the system is constantly evolving. The future of ATC is already on the horizon, with research into AI integration and greater automation. These technologies promise to help controllers manage even higher volumes of air traffic more efficiently, predicting potential conflicts before they happen, and optimizing flight paths to save fuel and time. But even with the most advanced AI, the human element will always remain essential. The final call, the critical judgment, will always rest with the highly trained human at the console. There are many myths about air traffic control. A common one? That controllers just sit and stare at a green screen with blinking dots. The reality could not be more different. It's an intensely demanding mental marathon, a constant state of high alert that can last for an entire 8-hour shift. Every single radio call must be understood perfectly. Every blip on the radar must be tracked. Every change in weather must be analyzed and acted upon, all in a matter of seconds. It's a job where you can't have a bad day. The level of focus required is immense. Vigilance is constant, and teamwork is everything. Controllers work in teams, constantly communicating, cross-checking, and supporting one another. They are a close-knit community, bound by the shared responsibility of keeping the skies safe for everyone. It's the ultimate fusion of human skill and powerful technology. Human skill plus technology. Safe skies. Air traffic controllers may be invisible to the millions of passengers they guide every day. Their voices are heard only by pilots, their actions seen only on radar screens. But their work is absolutely critical to every single flight you take. They are the silent guardians, the calm voices in the chaos, the architects of our safe passage through the skies. The next time you fly, as you feel the wheels lift off the runway, take a moment to remember them. Thousands of invisible hands are guiding your journey from takeoff to touchdown. What other complex systems should we demystify next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Ready to learn more? Like, share, and subscribe. Your next journey awaits.